Mr. Chairman, kanina when I asked that question regarding yung primary balance na hinahanap natin for DBCC to estimate the necessary to put yung debt to GDP ratio, nagtanong ho sa akin, may mga nag-text, hindi nasagot yata yung tanong mo. Pero sabi ko naman, nasagot hindi lang kumpleto, but just to put on record because a lot of people are also monitoring what we're doing here. Yung sagot po is 0.9% ng deficit to GDP ratio. Right now, ang 2026 deficit is 5.45%. The target for 2028 is 3%. But the primary mag-balance at makita natin na tumaas na papunta to that direction should be 0.9%. So ang layo pa ho talaga. So yung part of my other question kanina is ano yung timeline, kailan natin makikita at ma-accomplish yung declining path na ito. Parang hindi ho natin malaman at sana meron tayong vision and projection para makita natin that indeed hope springs eternal.